Hey guys, we are back to show you another Chevy Express van build. So as you know, when we started this build, we called it Mr. Potato Van, being that the van was from Idaho. So this white van, we've completely transformed it into something spectacular, into something unique, and probably once again doing another one-of-a-kind build here at WeldTec Designs. So today I want to walk you through this build, show you exactly what we did to it and how we got crazy and made this van just awesome. So back to when we started this build, we talked to you and told you that this is the new Duramax 2.8 liter diesel. So we were really kind of hesitant, a little bit worried. Once we go to the 35-inch tires, is this going to be able to still have power? Is it going to just be gutless? So that was our big thing, and boy were we surprised at how well this does. So maybe a little bit slow off the start, but man, plenty of power, does great on the freeway. Driving 80 miles an hour on the freeway, no problem whatsoever. This thing is really nice and really comfortable. I'm digging it. I really like this. If you're not needing to tow and want fuel efficiency, this is it. Like, this is really, really nice. So as you can see, let's start off this thing and walk around it a little bit. Our stealth winch bumper, like, this bumper is sweet. So you saw this on the Chevy SEMA build that we did. That was the first van to get this bumper, and since then people have been digging it, and you can see we've duplicated it on here again. We're running a Warren winch, and on here we're putting the Warren Xeon 12S winch. So this thing is awesome. You can see it tucked up in there, really nice, just super clean. And one thing that I would like to point out again is the depth of this bumper. This bumper sticks out the same distance as what your Chevy Express stock bumper sticks out. So this is a super low profile bumper, but it's also packing the power of a Warren winch, which is gonna be great. You have the ability, you can see it's already tabbed, so if you're wanting to run some light force lights on there, but what you don't see is that we're also running some pod lights in this front grille. So we didn't run the bar, we're running two 6-inch pods on both sides in there, tucked in behind the grille. And that's what's great about the stealth light bar mount, is you can run a bar, you can run pods, you can configure it whatever is going to work best for you. So once again, killer bumper. So as we start rocking and rolling around this thing, let's go and check it out. We've done our complete 4x4 coil-over conversion on this. We've gotten rid of all the stock suspension, and what's unique about this one is on this one is the first one to get our whole sway bar kit. So now we've added a sway bar to them to control it even more when you're driving these things on the road. This thing is awesome. Corners, this thing drives like it's on tracks. It's really, really nice. I'm digging it. I may have to even add it to my own van just for fun. So awesome, really cool. And you can see we're running, once again, we're running that Toyo 35-inch tire in here on a set of the Method wheels. So on here, we've gone with the Method Standard, super clean look, less of a simulated beadlock, but really clean. And you can see in here that we're making these things sit really low, which is nice. That's what's really gonna help them perform really well on the road, but not only that, but off-road, it's gonna do really well. So, and as we keep moving back, you're gonna see this behind me is our rock slider. So we're running our tube rock sliders on this, really nice setup. So as we come to the back, we're checking out our new aluminum ladder. Well, not really new, but new to this van. So we have our aluminum ladder with, boom, our new WeldTec Designs 4x4 badge. And where does this ladder lead but to heaven? Well, not quite heaven, but something pretty cool, and that's gonna be our rolled roof rack. So that's like a lot of ours, rolled roof rack. Man, that's a tongue twister in itself right there. but we've done our rolled top on the aluminum roof rack. Super nice, super clean, and now we start moving our way. We're working our way around this thing, not wasting any time. Boom, another method wheel, sitting awesome 35-inch Toyo tires on our double swing tire carrier, or on our double swing rack. On this one, we've gone with a tire swing on one side with a gas can rack on the other. So if you're wanting to carry more gas, this is it. Well, what's nice about this also is, keep in mind, you can unbolt the gas can rack and bolt a box up. So it's super versatile. It's gonna keep the same platform on there, just allows you to have it more modular to control what you're gonna need. Sometimes you don't need a box and you're like, I just want more gas. Or maybe it's gonna be water, whatever it may be. Just another really cool thing that you can do with some of our bumpers. In the rear, to make the rear just as awesome as the front, what we've done is we're running our performance leaf spring. This leaf spring is awesome. A ton of articulation, a ton of flex, which is great. In order to control that flex, we're running 2.5 King IBP shocks. These things are killer. A ton of droop. These things are gonna work and control the rear of your suspension really, really well. And that's what's great about this setup, is so much more shock. Having that bigger shock is gonna keep your shock cooler longer because of the increased oil volume. So all of these little things play an important part in when building out your van. And that's where we're able to really take into consideration what you're gonna be doing it, what your goal is, and then build you a perfect van like we did for these guys right here. And this thing is awesome. Another thing that we've done on this van is we've done the bed liner material on the whole bottom of this. So we've done all down the doors, we've done in the door wells, and one thing that you might not notice that we've done is we've also done the roof on here. So we've done the roof all in white to keep the heat down, doing it all in white, not wanting it to be stand out by doing it black. So the whole roof is done in white. All of the rockers are done in black. And what we've done in here is paying attention to the small details. As you can see, we've taken this and we've run this line inside your door jamb. So when you open it up, it's flawless all the way through. You're not getting a breakup in it. It's not changing. So another really nice thing, the small little finishing touches that make a difference when you're building a really cool van like this. So now that we got the door open, check out these new seats. So these seats are awesome. What we've done in here is I jump up in here and you can see this van is brand new. It still has the plastic on it. So we've done our ultra seat conversion in here, really nice. So if you're taller, what's nice about these is we have the ability to make the seat back let's try.
Today is powered by Red Bull. Would you like a Red Bull?
So what's really nice about our ultra seat conversion is that you have the ability to change the height of the back. You have the ability to add custom options to this. If you want a cell phone pocket, if you'd like air lumbar control, there's a lot of different things that you can do to these to really customize them and make them awesome. A lot of them we're putting pockets in the back. You want to be able to carry additional gear. All of those are really important. And on this one, we even did a higher back. So I have a ton of room. This is really, really comfortable when I'm taking a seat in here and I'm ready for a road trip. I mean, I'm okay to just sit passenger here, take a nap. I'll let Austin drive. Austin, you're driving, let's go. So one more thing about these things that we're doing, changing them up, all of them are very similar yet different, and we're able to really customize it to your needs. And that's what's great about WeldTec Designs. We build what you want, not just what we want. So there it is, this is a 2018 Chevy Express. Well, actually, technically this is a GMC, not a Chevy. So this is a GMC, and right there you're gonna see that Duramax badge right there, Duramax diesel. This is the 2.8 liter. So we're gonna go take this thing for a test drive some more, see what it's like on the freeway, put it in 4-wheel drive, and maybe even get to have some fun with it. So thanks guys for watching this. We hope you enjoyed our walkthrough of this GMC Savana van. This is a 155-inch wheelbase van, So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions, please comment below. Let us know what you would like to see more of, what you guys want to see. If there's something specific on here, what you guys want to see, but please smash that subscribe button, ring that bell. We're doing a lot of videos right now. We hope that you guys enjoy our videos and what we're doing here at WeldTec Designs. So make sure you comment below, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys on the next video. See you guys later.